G'day and welcome to Sydney Lego Builds. In this video we're going to be looking at the Lego City 30664 Police Off-Road Buggy Car. It's a 5+ set and it's in a poly bag straight from the Lego store itself. There we go. Have a bit of a look at it and crack it open. Ooh. Spill its guts all over the table here. Ah! Pieces are popping out everywhere. There we go. And the most important things you want to get, people, is the instructions. You don't want to miss out on the instructions. And we'll start with a little, with a minifig. Start with the helmet here. Grab the guy, and his head's stuck in a wheel. Where is this? Slippery. And grab the helmet. Oh, hey. There he is. I'll zoom in on him. There he is. The little police buggy man, off-road buggy. Looking the part. And also got a piece of printed tile here, which is that wanted. That's the person the little policeman's looking for. There we go. And we'll start building the car itself. There we go. Put the axles on. Put that little black thing at the back here. A little brown bit. 2 yellow pieces. And there we go. And we need that little grey piece with a blue piece to stick on the front. And another little blue piece with the steering wheel right next to it. There we go. All coming together. Into the next piece of the instructions. And there we go. It's got a bit of a buggy frame, so if he has a crash, he's going to be safe in the buggy. And the little lights on the buggy here. And yep, that piece. Top. Yeah, it's all coming together there. And we put the wing on. A bit of downforce action on the buggy. Look out. And the yellow piece under there, and that snaps on at the front. There we go. Now we just put the rims in the tires. There it is. There we go. And the tires on the buggy. I love the new wheel setups compared to the old ones back in the 70s and 80s. These wheel setups spin like crazy. There we go. Buggy is completed. Police buggy is done. There we go. Swing him around for you. Look at the back of it. There you go. We'll put the little police dude in there. A little mini figurine. And there he is. Done. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for all upcoming videos. Leave some comments. Did you like this Lego City build? And don't forget to share the video with your family and friends. Okay. See ya. He's protecting Sydney now down there.